If you're ready to make AI your superpower, welcome. Every video gives you new tools, new tricks, and simple shortcuts to level up your workflow instantly. No fluff, no geek talk, just practical power you can use today.
You ever feel like making content today means opening 5 different AI tools, copying files back and forth, and still not getting something you can actually post? Yeah, same. But what if I told you there's a tool that actually brings together multiple top AI models like Runway, Pika, and more all inside one platform? So instead of jumping between tools, you can generate videos, edit them, fix them, upscale them all in one place and not just basic stuff. I'm talking cinematic AI videos, face swap, lip sync, even turning images into full animations. Let's test it. So today, we're checking out Wery AI, an all-in-one AI creation platform that's basically trying to become your entire content studio in one tab. We're going to go from idea to finished video, test a few features, and most importantly, see if this is actually useful or just another overhyped AI tool. And hey, if you like discovering tools that save you time and sanity, hit subscribe because that's what we do here. All right, let's jump in. So this is the dashboard. And honestly, the first thing I noticed, it doesn't feel overwhelming. You've got everything laid out: chat, image, video, music, and then all these ready-made templates and effects right here. It almost feels like scrolling Netflix, but for AI tools. And what Wery AI is really trying to do here is simple. Instead of you jumping between tools like Runway, Pika, or whatever else, they bring everything into one place. Think of it like a content creation control center. And that sounds great in theory, but let's see how it actually performs. All right, let's start simple. I'm going to generate a video from text. So I type something like a cinematic shot of a futuristic city at night, neon lights, flying cars, hit generate, and now we wait a bit. This is where most tools either impress you or disappoint you. Pause. Okay, so the result actually looks pretty solid. The lighting is cinematic, the movement feels smooth, and honestly, this is already usable for content. But here's where it gets interesting. Normally, this is where most AI tools stop. Wery AI doesn't. Now, instead of exporting and going somewhere else, we stay here. Let's say I want to change the background, improve quality, or even tweak details. You've got tools like video enhancement, which can upscale to 4K background removal, super useful for ads and even video extension. So you can literally expand your clip. And this is where I think Wery AI actually stands out. It's not just about generating content, right? Oh, it's about making it ready to post. Because let's be real, generating something is easy now. Making it usable, that's the hard part. Now let's try something a bit more fun. There are features like lip sync, style transformations, so you can literally take a normal clip and turn it into something completely different, like anime style, clay animation, or even something that looks like a game cinematic. This is the kind of stuff that works really well for TikTok Reels short form content, and it's all just one click, no complicated setup, no learning curve, which is kind of the whole point of this platform. Now let's talk about actual use, because tools like this only matter if they save time. If you're doing e-commerce, content creation, or even just posting regularly, this can replace a lot of steps. You can generate product visuals, replace backgrounds, create ad-style videos, clean up subtitles, remove watermarks, all without leaving the platform. So instead of spending hours editing, you're basically... So, is Wery AI perfect? No, like any AI tool, results can vary, and sometimes you'll need a few tries. But here's the real value. It saves time, and more importantly, it removes friction. You're not thinking about tools anymore. You're just creating. And honestly, that's where AI is heading. If you're tired of jumping between multiple AI tools and just want one place to create everything, this is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave the link below. And I'm curious, would you actually use something like this, or do you prefer sticking with separate tools? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, breaking down powerful AI tools in a simple way. You already know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.